Hello everyone, myself Sai Prasad, a lecturer in Ahmedabad High School and the Junior College. Welcome to the series of the lectures of 10th class maths. We have started a basic discussion of the whole chapters of 10th class, right? We started with the real numbers, trigonometry. We covered almost all chapters and we are now at the end of the book. Today, we are going to start a new chapter, that is progression. What is progression? It is a basic English term, progressing. Progressing means one after the other, which means it is going in a continuous way, right? In the maths, we have different terms such as sequence, series, right? What do you mean by the term sequence? Tell me. The sequence itself, we know that a set of numbers. For example, if I tell it as 1, 2, 3, 4 or whatever the sequence it is, one after the other, that is a sequence. Then what is a series? Series is also will give the same term, but it gives the relationship, that is by adding one on the other or subtracting or multiplying or some kind of operation on one another. Okay, that is a series. Then what about a progression? A progression is always a sequence in which each and every element is related to the each and every other element, right? For example, let us take an even number. Okay, even number 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, always it ends with a multiples of 2. If you want to know the first even term, what is it? I can write it as 2 into 1 as 2. If I want to know second even term, 2 into 2 is 4. If I want to know 10th even term, that is 2 into 10, obviously it is 20, right? Can I find each and every even term by using this fixed term, right? This can be called as general term, okay? Which means here if I know first and another value, if I know any two values of them, I can directly write any term, okay? Which means, once again let me tell, a progression can be defined as a sequence in which each and every element is related to the each and every other element, okay? Fine. How many types of progressions are there? That is, we can have many different progressions based on the condition, situation, everything. As of our education, we always consider with 3 different types, that is arithmetic progression, second is geometric progression, and the third one is harmonic progression. Okay. Arithmetic progression is we always get different terms based on a common difference. A geometric term, we always get it as based on common ratio. Harmonic progression is nothing but reciprocal of AP, that is arithmetic progression. Okay, is it clear? Shall we start with the first and the most important basic arithmetic progression? Let us start. Arithmetic progression, it is simply given as AP. Whenever I tell AP, it directly tells it as arithmetic progression. Okay, this will be always in the standard form of A plus D, A plus 2D and so on up to A plus n minus 1 into D. Is it okay? Where this A is defined as first term and D is defined as common difference, which is equal to the difference of the second term and the first term. Always the notation will be like this. This is mean by second term. Here A, or it can be called as A1. Okay. If it is second term, we write it as A2 and first term we write it as A1, or it can also be A3 minus A2. And here this is An, that is nth term, which is given as A plus n minus 1 into D. Is it clear? What did I write? See here, whatever the progression it is, if the second term is increasing by a particular number, okay. Let me give you an example. First term is 1, second term is 5, okay. What is the difference? 1 को कितने ऐड करें तो 5 आता, 4, right? 5 को 4 ऐड करें तो 9, then 13, then 17 and so on. Now tell me, what is the first term here? 1, right? Second term is 5, third term is 9. If you observe, what is to be added to get 5? Plus 4. Yes. What is to be added to 5? Again plus 4, again plus 4, plus 4 and so on. It continues all the time, which means the difference between the first and the second term is always 4. Okay, that is my common difference. Is it clear? बोले तो ये difference same रहे तोगी उस sequence को हम arithmetic progression बोलेंगे. If the difference is not same, then we cannot tell it as arithmetic progression. Is it clear? What is the condition? That is, the common difference should be same between any two consecutive terms. Consecutive बोले तो एक के बाद एक. That is one after the other in an order. Clear? Did you understand? These are the basic things which we have to remember. Can I identify what is an AP or not? Can I check? Yes. Shall we do a few problems on that? Let's start. See the question here. He is asking us to write first 4 terms of AP where A is given, D is given. Okay. What is the first term? Is 10. First term क्या है? 10. Second term बोले तो ये 10 को ये common difference add कर लेना. That is A1 plus D. That is 10 plus 10, that is 20. A3 is, we have to add D for the previous term, that is A2 plus D. What is A2? 20, D is 10, that is 30. A4 is A3 plus D, that is 30 plus 10, that is 40. That's it. Is it right? ये पुराना numbers को add करते ही जाना. First number is 10, next number 20, 30, 40. Is there common difference 10? Yes, it is there, right? Or else you can easily remember it as A1 is A, A2 is A plus 1D, A3 is A plus 2D, A4 is A plus 3D, right? This is the same, right? Yes or no? Fine. Let us use that particular trick here. A is 4, A2 is A plus D. बोले तो 4 plus D is minus 3, that is 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1. Okay. Then next A3. A3 can be written as A2 plus D, or else we can remember it as A plus 2D. Why? What is A2 bolo? A2 is A plus D. Again I have to add one more D. D plus D is 2D. Okay, A plus 2D, or else you can directly write it as A2 plus again D. Okay. Okay, let us write it like that only. A2 plus D. What is A2? 1 plus D is minus 3. That is 1 minus 3, that is equal to minus 2. Okay. And the next A4. A1, A2, A3, A4. A4 is again A3 plus D. What is A3? Minus 2. What is D? Minus 3. Minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. Okay. If you wish, you can even write it as series. Therefore, AP is 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on. Here AP is, how much is it? 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5 and so on. Okay. Similarly, the second. Here A is minus 1. What is A2? A plus D, that is, what is A? Minus 1. D is 1 by 2. LCM is 2 minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1 by 2. Is it okay? Similarly, A3 is A2 plus D, that is equal to A2 is minus 1 by 2, D is 1 by 2. Both will get cancelled, answer is 0. A4 is A3 plus D, that is A4 is 0. D is half, therefore answer is half. Therefore, AP is minus 1, minus half, 0 and half and so on, right? Just guess it. What will be the next value? Minus 1, minus half, 0, half, next will be obviously 1. Yes or no? We can easily identify like that, right? Clear. Shall we move on to the next problem? Let's do. See here the next question. He is asking us to write first term and common difference for these APs. Okay. This is in the standard form. What is the first term? First term is 3, yes, and the second term is 1. What is the formula of common difference? Common difference ka formula is A2 minus A1, that is 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. This is my common difference and this is my first term. Okay. Similarly, check the next question. ये first term क्या है इधर? 1 by 3. Second term is 5 by 3. Common difference is A2 minus A1. 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3, that is equal to 5 minus 1 by 3, that is 4 by 3. This is my common difference and this is my first term. Is it right? In the previous sum, they gave these two terms and they asked us to find this. In this sum, they gave this and they asked us to find A and D. Okay. Shall we do one more problem? Let's do. See here the next question. Which of the following are AP? Okay. ये question में से कौन से sequence AP है? If AP, he is asking us to find first 3 terms, that is, I mean the next 3 terms, it means, that is, he is asking us to find next 3 terms after this set. Okay. See here, what is the first term here? Just check here. First term is 2, second term is 5 by 2, third term is 3 and fourth term is 7 by 2. Let us check for 2 cases, that is, ये दोनों के बीच में difference और ये दोनों के बीच में difference equal है तो it's okay. That is, check A2 minus A1. बोले तो A2 में से A1 subtract करना. 5 by 2 minus 2, that is LCM is 2, 5 minus 4, that is 1 by 2. Okay. Now let us check for A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2. A3 is 3, A2 is 5 by 2, LCM is 2, 3 2s are 6 minus 5, that is 1 by 2. Yes, we got it right. These both are equal, therefore it is AP. How do we find the next terms? A1, A2, A3, A4 are done. Next is A5, A6, A7. That is, let us do it here. A5, and let me do this like this. A5 is A plus 4D. What is A? 2. What is D? 1 by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are. 2 plus 2 is 4. A6 is A plus 5D. 2 plus 5 into 1 by 2, that is LCM is 2, 2 2s are 4 plus 5, that is 9 by 2. A7 is A plus 6D, that is 2 plus 5 into 1 by 2, I mean 6 into 1 by 2, 2 1s are 2 3s are, 2 plus 3 is 5. Therefore, AP is 2 5 by 2, 3 7 by 2 and the next 4 9 by 2 and 5 and so on. Right, if you check here, 2 5 by 2 is 2.5, 3 7 by 2 is 3.5. Therefore, we can think as 2 2.5, 3 3.5, 4 4.5, 5 5.5 and so on. Yes, is it clear? Now check this sum 1. Okay, let me write everything clearly. First term क्या है? 1. Second term 3. Third term 9. Fourth term 27. अब देखो second minus first किया तो कितना आता? 3 minus 1 is 2. Third minus second किया तो 9 minus 3 is 6. Is this both equal? Obviously no. Therefore, it is not an AP. That's it. And then now check it here. What is the first term? Root 3. What is the second term? Root 6. What is the third term? Root 9. What is the fourth term? Root 12. Okay. Check whether we can simplify it. Okay. Here it is root 3, we can't do anything. Here root 6 can be written as 2 into 3. Maximum we can do it as root 2 and root 3. Root 9 can be written as 3 into 3, that is nothing but 3. Root 12 can be written as 3 into 4, that is nothing but 2 root 3. Yes. Now tell me a2 minus a1, let us do it also. Root 2 into root 3 minus root 3. If I take root 3 as common, I will get it as root 2 minus 1, right? And when it comes to this a3 minus a2, I can write it as root 2, I can write as root 3 into root 3 minus root 2 into root 3, just in order to take this root 3 as common. I will get it as root 3 minus root 2. Is this both equal? No, right? Therefore, it is not an AP. Clear? Shall we do a few more problems on this AP? Let us do. Now check the question here. He is asking us to fill this table. Okay. How to do? A is given, D is given, N is given. He is asking us to find the value of AN. Now we have to use the formula. What is AN ka formula? A plus N minus 1 into D. That's it, right? That is, what is N here? 8 for the first question. That is, A is 7 plus 8 minus 1 into D is 3. That is 7 plus 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 into 3 is 21. That is 28. Okay. See the next question. He is asking us to find the value of A. Here in the second one, A is to be found where AN is given as minus 5. What is the formula again? AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN के place में क्या लगाना? Minus 5 is equal to A, we have to find. What is N? 18 minus 1 into what is D? Minus 3. Okay. This is minus 5 is equal to A plus 18 minus 1 is 17 into minus 3. That is minus 5 is equal to A minus 17 3s are, how much is it? 7 3s are 21, 3 1s are 3, 4, 5. Let us bring this 51 this side. 51 minus 5 is, A is 46. Okay, इधर क्या होगा? 46. Fine. And in the third question, what is given? A is given, D is given, N is given. Again we have to find AN. What is the formula now again? A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is equal to, N is 105th term we have to find. Okay. A is 3.5 plus 105 minus 1 into what is D? 0. That is 3.5 plus 104 into 0. Whatever it is into 0 is obviously 0. Therefore, this is 3.5. Clear? Fine. These are the different problems of AP on nth term, common difference and everything for today. Let us meet in the next session with more problems of nth terms of AP. Thank you.